Nobody saw it coming when Apple dropped a laptop that didn't require selling a kidney. The first MacBook Neo flew off the shelves because, honestly, normal people just wanted a cheap Mac that actually worked. But listen closely, if you have this exact laptop sitting in your online cart right now, empty it immediately. Supply chain leaks are screaming that Apple is already preparing the MacBook Neo 2, and it is coming in hot way faster than anybody ever guessed. The really wild part here is the actual launch timeline. Usually Apple takes their sweet time milking a product, but new data shows they are literally shifting around their massive chip factories just to force the second generation model out the door. If the current track holds up, we are looking at a January launch. That is just 10 short months after the first one came out. Now, getting a new laptop early is cool and all, but a shiny new date is not why you're going to want to throw your wallet at the screen. The real massive upgrade here, the thing that fixes the absolute biggest headache of the first generation, is the memory. The original Neo came with 8 gigs of RAM, and let us be real here, that aged like milk left in the sun. 8 gigs is totally fine if you only check emails or watch funny dog videos, but the moment you open more than 5 Chrome tabs or try to run anything heavy, the whole laptop just starts gasping for air. Apple finally knows they messed up, and the reports show they are jumping straight to 12 gigs of RAM for the Neo 2. Those extra 4 gigs are a massive deal. It gives the computer so much more breathing room to handle background apps, and most importantly, it is exactly what they need to actually run Apple Intelligence without the laptop completely freezing up. And they are not just stopping at the memory. Apple is tossing in a crazy bump in raw brain power too. The rumors are strongly pointing to them packing in the A19 Pro chip. This is a huge leap in graphics, and it even includes hardware-accelerated ray tracing. Yeah, you heard that right! Real ray tracing on Apple's absolute cheapest laptop. This means this budget-friendly machine is suddenly going to be surprisingly good at light gaming or running creative apps like video editors without instantly turning into a loud space heater. But honestly, fixing the brain of the computer is completely useless if the storage drive is still crawling in the mud. This was the second biggest reason the first Neo drove people totally crazy. The original had super slow storage drives. When a Mac runs out of RAM, it tries to use the hard drive as backup memory, and because the first Neo had slow drives, the whole laptop would just choke and stutter. For the Neo 2, we are expecting some heavily upgraded SSDs that will basically double the read and write speeds. That means your laptop boots up in a blink. Moving big video files takes no time at all, and the whole system just stays buttery smooth even when you push it to the absolute limit. Alright, let us talk about the little everyday things, the stuff that usually gets totally ripped out of cheap laptops, just to save a few pennies. For starters, let us look at charging. The first Neo charged at 20 watts, which is painfully slow if you're stuck at an airport and need juice fast before your flight. The Neo 2 is bumping that wired charging speed all the way up to 40 watts. That is going to chop your time hugging a wall outlet right in half. On top of that, word on the street is Apple is throwing in their custom N1 wireless chip. This gives the laptop full Wi-Fi 7 support, so if your home network is always super crowded with phones and TVs, this new chip gives you way faster internet, much better range, and absolutely no more random dropouts. When you stack up all this upgraded hardware, plus the new Siri and all the deep Apple Intelligence stuff, this laptop really stops looking like a budget choice. It honestly feels exactly like a high-end flagship that just shrank in the wash. But hold on, before you get totally lost in the hype train, we need a quick reality check. There is one massive rumor floating around that is 100% dead in the water. A few months ago, some people were swearing the Neo 2 would finally get a touchscreen. Yeah, totally not happening. The newest leaks confirm Apple threw that idea straight in the trash. Why? Because Apple is completely terrified of making their cheap stuff too good. They are saving the fancy touchscreens and the brand new Touch ID stuff for their super expensive MacBook Ultra lineup. Keeping a normal non-touchscreen on the Neo is exactly how they keep the assembly line cheap and easy. Which finally brings us to the ultimate hook, the price. You look at all this crazy stuff, 12 gigs of RAM, the A19 Pro chip, super fast SSDs, double the charging speed, and Wi-Fi 7. Any normal tech company would slap an extra $200 on the price tag and call it a day. But the supply chain leaks are pointing to something absolutely crazy. Apple is planning to freeze the price at the exact same $699. They will probably add a brand new 1TB storage option if you want to spend extra cash for more room. But the base starting price stays locked at $699. If Apple actually pulls this off and hits that $699 price tag with these crazy specs, this laptop is going to completely destroy every single other budget laptop on the entire planet. So here's the real question I have for you. If you had the cash right now, would you instantly buy the MacBook Neo 2 for $699, or would you honestly rather save up more money and wait for the next MacBook Air? Drop your choice down in the comments. I really want to know what you guys think. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next massive update, and I will catch you in the next one.